Geometric transformations are operations that change the position, size, orientation, or shape of a figure. The main types include translation, sliding a figure, rotation, turning around a point, reflection, flipping over a line, composite. Transformations combine multiple operations. These are widely used in mathematics, computer graphics, and engineering for analyzing and manipulating shapes.
There are four main types of geometric transformation based on how we want to move or change shapes. So first, translation, second, reflection, third, rotation, and lastly, dilatation. So what is translation? So translation is a type of geometric transformation. We remove or slide a figure from one place to another without rotating or changing its size. So reflection. Reflection is a geometric transformation where we flip a figure across a line called the line of reflection. This creates a mirror image that keeps the original size and shape of the figure but appears flipped or mirrored. Rotation is a geometric transformation where we turn a figure around a fixed point called the center of rotation. Following a rotation, the size and shape of the figure remains the same. Lastly, dilatation. So what is dilatation? Dilatation is a geometric transformation where we change the size of a figure but keep its shape. The resulting figure can either enlarge or shrink. In dilatation, we move each point away from towards a fixed center called the center of dilatation and scale by a factor that determines how much larger or smaller the figure gets.
So there are two types of transformation. First is translation slide. So translation slide, it is a transformation where a shape is moved from one place to another without changing its size or shape, essentially sliding it across a plane with every point of the shape moving from the same distance and in the same direction. Action flip, it is a geometric transformation where a shape is mirrored across a line called the line of reflection, creating a mirror image that is the same size and shape. Rotation or turns a shape around a fixed point, moving all points along a circular path, while keeping its size and shape unchanged. For example, rotating an hexagon by 90 degrees moves its corners to new positions without altering the shape. Next is dilation or resize. Dilation changes the size of shape, either enlarging or shrinking it, but it keeps its proportion the same.
Transformation in patterns. So transformation in patterns refers to the ways in which shapes can be changed or manipulated to create new shapes or patterns. How patterns are made. To create pattern, can repeat a shape using combination of these transformation.
The real-life examples of transformation. Transformations are change in the shape, size, or positions of an object. There are many real-world examples of transformations, including in geometry, art, architectures, and data.
Fun facts about transformations. Visualizations like honeycombs often use translations and reflections. Patterns like honeycombs use translations, sliding shapes, and reflection, flipping shapes, to cover a surface without gaps. Snowflakes have rotational symmetry, meaning they look the same after rotating by certain angles. Digital graphics rely on transformations for animations, meaning transformations like rotating, resizing, or flipping shapes are used to create smooth animation in digital media.
So, for the conclusion of our video report, so first, let's start about the transformation, move, flip, rotate, or resize our other shape. First is, this refers to the four types of geometric transformation. First, the translation or move. Second is the reflection or flip. And next is the rotation or turn. And dilatation, or it means resize. This operation allows us to use or change the position or size of the shape while maintaining their structure. So, there are essentials for creating geometric patterns, and these are the patterns rely on repeating shapes and designs, which are achieved through transforms, and for examples are the tiled floor often show translation and reflection to create a symmetry and balance. And lastly, are the pattern made through transformation are everywhere in art, nature, and especially in design. Also underpin modern design, including digital animation and textile patterns, and understanding transformation reveals that connection between math, creativity, and the world around us.